Hi and welcome to this new video. Before we start, I have to apologize. There's no better or best framework. It's like asking which is better, Android or iOS, Audi or BMW. At the end of the day, it all depends on the specific requirements of the project, your already existing knowledge as well as personal preference. Let me explain. If there would exist a perfect framework that suits all needs, there would be only this one, and all others were obsolete. So, depending on the specific requirements of each project, you should choose the right tool for it. From my experience, Ionic and Framework7 are among the best HTML, CSS and JavaScript-based mobile frameworks. So in this video, I will explain the key differences between the two as well as try to suggest when to use which framework. First of all, both are based on HTML, CSS and JavaScript. They deliver excellent performance, good documentation and a rich set of UI components like pages, lists and buttons. So, where are the big differences? Well, Ionic is a very popular choice among developers. A full team takes care of development and it has tight integration with Cordova and Angular, so it benefits from stuff like component-based development or data binding. Recently, the latest, much improved version 2.0 has been released. Also, using TypeScript is highly recommended due to Angular 2 dependency. Apps written with Ionic run in the browser or as a native app using wrapper technologies like PhoneGap or Cordova. Framework7, on the other hand, is still not very well known in the developer world, which often surprises me, given how good it is. It's developed by iDangerous, a Russia-based company. The open source community contributes quite a decent number of improvements to the code, and so do some companies, like the Swedish startup Proactor. Technology-wise, it can be used with Cordova, but it has no tight integration built in. You can choose between jQuery-based development or use the brand new Vue.js plugin, which provides tight integration for the popular new Vue.js framework. And this is the biggest key difference between Ionic and Framework7. It's not the frameworks themselves, but the technologies used underneath. So, let me show you how I usually decide which framework to use. First, I check the requirements of the project and ask myself a few questions. Is it a big or a small project? Is it more a quick and dirty prototype, a medium-sized project, or enterprise product, which should last many years? How big is the team? Which know-how does already exist in this team? Based on the answers of these questions, I usually decide like this. You should use Ionic for big projects with larger teams with 10 or more developers due to more streamlined and strict development using Angular 2, which gives developers less flexibility but can improve code quality due to better consistency and structure. You should also consider Ionic if you already have lots of Angular know-how in your team or you simply want to use TypeScript. On the other hand, Framework7 is a good choice for small to medium-sized projects up to 10 developers. You should also give Framework7 a try if flexibility is a higher priority to you than conformity, due to the simplicity of Vue.js. It's also a good choice for quick prototyping because you can simply use jQuery. Framework7 is also a good choice if you still have lots of jQuery know-how in your team or you simply still love jQuery, which is totally okay. Last but not least, if you don't feel comfortable with TypeScript of Angular, you should also pick Framework7 because of its excellent Vue.js integration. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you want to support both frameworks, please check out these pages. What's your favorite framework and why? Let me know in the comments below. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face over here. If you want, follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/Timo_Ernst. Thanks for watching, have a great day and see you in the next video.